Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be doing an electronic review. The item that I'll be reviewing is a sports action camera by a company called Muson, and the model is MC1 that has a built-in Wi-Fi and waterproof up to 30 meters. Okay, that's pretty awesome. It's owned by a company called Soundpeaks, okay, that makes a lot of earphones, speakers and a lot of different electronics. Okay, as you can see, it clearly points out the fact that it can record up to 1080p H.264 full HD, okay? And on top of that, this is the only action camera that I know, or sports camera, that I know that you can get in different colors. As you can see, you can get white, green, blue, pink, black. I'm not sure, I think they're meant to be grey, they look the same color, but yeah, you can get in various colors as well, okay? And at the back it gives you more information about this, which I want to go through before I actually show you the camera and etc. what it does. The fact that this talks about the specifications, as you can see, video can be recorded up to 1080p, okay, 30 fps, and also 720p 60 fps as well. Super wide angle lens, okay, up to 170 degrees as well. Waterproof up to 30 meters. So that's probably the best thing about this camera, is the fact that up to 30 meters, so you can do, you can dive in onto underwater if you're doing any kind of water related things. This is pretty awesome as well, so you won't get damaged that easily. It has Wi-Fi built in as well. It has storage that you can use up a micro SD card to actually bring up the memory higher, okay, but it's not included with it obviously. Battery, it has 900 mAh built in, so up to 1.5 hours of usage, so that's pretty good for this actual camera. Input and output, micro USB, and it has HDMI built in as well. Dimension, as you can see here, I wouldn't even have to say it, as you can see, you can read it for yourself. You can choose from various colors, and the fact that it has 2-inch LCD screen also as well. Okay, and so I'm gonna show you exactly what comes in. The fact that this is the only one that comes in a quality pouch style, portable pouch style as well, as you can see, that can be carried around anywhere, so wherever you're going, it's very portable. So after you use it, just put in this pouch, okay, bag or whatever. Alright, so in the pouch, as you can see, okay, it comes with a lot of attachments that you can see at the moment, with the camera here, okay, and obviously I can mention few items that actually comes with it, okay, or probably all of them. The fact that this is the actual camera, as you can see, okay, Muson, and it obviously comes with the actual waterproof casing. The switch on button is there, okay. At the moment I don't think it has charge at the moment to show you, okay. So let me just take you off so I can show you how it looks as well, okay. So after you take the actual waterproof casing off, it looks like this. So it looks pretty good, okay. It has the Muson logo on it, HD, Wi-Fi 1080p mode there, okay. It also has the buttons there, okay. It does have the charge then. So as you can see, the quality itself is pretty amazing, and as you can see, it has the HDMI port, charging port, and the micro SD port at the same place as well. Okay, what else is good about this? The fact that the battery goes at the bottom, as you can see. Okay, not only the fact that this is the only action camera that comes with a spare battery as well, so you got 1.5 hours of usage, and then you got another 1.5 hours usage on top of that, so in case that charge runs out, you got another one to replace it. So you got a good 3 hours. That's the reason why you got a long battery life, they mentioned. It also comes with a handlebar mount, okay, comes with a helmet side mount, battery, a quick clip, and a USB cable to charge the device itself. Okay, so these are all the stuff that actually mentioned is here, okay, and here as well. Okay, so there's a lot of different kind of cables, etc., that comes in with it, for a lot of different kind of occasions and use as well. Um, so other than this, all I could say is it has a lot of features built in. Okay, various colors to choose from. It has it's Wi-Fi built in. It has waterproof that can be it can hold up to 30 meters without getting damaged. Okay, and it comes with two battery and another extra spare battery as well to um, use at the same time. So we got that quality and battery life, and you get this excellent pouch as well. Wherever you go, and take this pouch with you. It's a highly recommended product, I would say, in my opinion. The fact that this is the first a sports camera, action camera that I reviewed that has all these features, this quality bag, the fact that it has a spare battery, etc., with it. Okay, and it's very reliable product. The fact that the company that owns it, Sandpit, every product they make, okay, are very reliable, okay, and they will never give you problems. And if they do, they always have their own website, okay, that you can go to and speak to them. So what I could say is you can get this from Amazon. Okay, you just type in Muson MC1 action camera and it should come up. Or if you just type in on search engine, it should come up as on more other retail sites, etc. But if you want to know more about it, just type in search engine as well. Okay, you can get this for around 40 to 50 pounds. So that's like a fraction of the price of a GoPro or there's other action cameras that are very expensive, but the amount of features this has built in is pretty amazing, I would say. Okay, but in my opinion, I would give this around 10 out of 10. That's what I would give, because it got everything that you need. It's very affordable, very reliable, and it's it's excellent for every kind of occasions. So please give a like and subscribe.